Hey guys, what's up? So today, I am doing a video. It's a weird video, but we're gonna do it. If you guys remember the dress that was black and gold, and blue and black, the ugliest dress in the world of history, there's a new trend going, and it's, first, there was the dress, which is gold and black, and then blue and gold. What do you hear? I hear Yanny in this one. I totally hear Yanny, and I'm talking to Aaron, by the way, so... I totally hear Yanny, it's creepy. But then it says Laurel in the freaking thing. So, I'll be right back with the video, and see you guys then. A little bit, like an hour or so. See you, peace. Okay guys, so I'm back with the video, and I'm actually gonna do it again in just a second. So you guys remember the dress that's coming up again, and here's the actual thing.
Laurel. Laurel.
Now I'm hearing Laurel. This is an hour later, guys.
Laurel.
I'm legit hearing Laurel. I hear Laurel. I heard Laurel in that. Oh my god, I heard Laurel. What's going on with this video? I hear Laurel and now I'm hearing Yanny, so comment down below what you guys hear. I'd love to know. Oops. Why does it...
Families and co-workers, do you hear the word Yanny or Laurel?
So this is what I was watching before.
So, Yanny, so what do you think? Twitter data actually shows 47% of people on the site hear Yanny, ooh, and 53% hear Laurel. Wired editor-in-chief and CBS News contributor Nick Thompson is here to try and settle it for us. Nick, how can people hear such difference between these two words?
It's being described as an optical illusion for your ears. Two words that look so different on paper, but can sound so alike. That's now causing us to rethink what we hear.
Yanny. This one recording has led to a big debate, splitting the internet in two. Everyone is taking sides, some on Team Yanny, others on Team Laurel. The story that's tearing the country apart.
So, I don't get it at all, guys, but don't get me wrong, like, I love doing these videos, but this is creepy. This is freaking creepy. I'm gonna pull it up for my friend, I'm gonna ask her what she hears, so... I'm going to end the episode here, though. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching this. Bye. Peace out. Long one. And we'll see you later on the next adventure of Game of Chase. And make sure you go check out Chasing Memories and Chasing Case Adventures, because we will be. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you guys then. Bye.